Now, whenever you training this particular section, the most important thing for you to be is stay calm. Because if your dog is barking and you are shouting back at him, shut up or quiet or whatever it is, he will also become more excited and continue barking. So you need to remain calm. Whatever command that you are giving him, you need to give him calmly. For example, if he's barking a lot and you want to tell him to be quiet, you say quiet. That's how you are supposed to do it. Now, the first thing to do is check and remove his reason for barking. For example, if he's sitting in a room looking outside the window and he's barking at passerbys, then you close the window, draw the curtain. So, generally, he would have been enjoying looking at people and barking. As soon as you close it, eventually he'll come to know that every time he barks, you're going to close the window, shut down the curtains and take him up from there. Also, if he's in the balcony or if he's outside in the garden and he's barking at passerbys, get him back inside. He will know that he was enjoying doing this, and because he was barking, this particular activity was stopped. The other one is basically it can be because of separation anxiety. So if you've put him in a room or put him in a crate or put him in his kennel and he's barking, then you need to ignore his barking. Maybe he will continue barking for an hour, but if you get irritated and go and open him back, next time when you do this, he can keep on barking for a longer period of time. So you need to ignore that, and as soon as he stops barking and he is silent for a couple of minutes, go back, give him a treat, praise him, make him look as if he's got an Oscar, and then release him. So the dog realizes that it's when he is quiet that he gets the reward and he is let out. Never leave your dog out of a cage, crate or a kennel while he is barking, because he will know this action is what gets him free. So that's why he will keep on barking. Also, barking is a form of communication. You should also understand, sometimes the dog is barking because he needs to go to pee, he needs to go to potty, or he's feeling really hungry. So you need to ensure that you've done all these before you put him in a crate, kennel or wherever he is. And if he's barking, generally check on him and take him around for his susu potty, whatever it is. Remove all things that motivate him to bark. Also sensitize him to those things. For example, sometimes the sound of a bike starting or crackers or something disturbs the dog. So sensitize him towards that and make him used to that. So eventually he will know that, okay, this is a normal thing. Never say, okay, that's fine, good boy, while he is barking, and if he's scared of something, because that will reinforce that behavior. He will think that there is a noise outside, he was scared and he was barking, and then you gave him attention. That means he should be scared. So generally do not reinforce that behavior. You can also teach him the speak and then the quiet command. This will help you to get him to become quiet. These are a few things that you can use to stop unwanted barking.